Hello guys, welcome back to Maritime Infographics. Today we'll be talking about the Kiev. This aircraft battlecruiser is a Soviet creation. It is not as big or good as the American ones, but it was one of the best in the Soviet Navy. The carrier was laid down in the 1970s. The Navy wanted a supercarrier, but they chose this because it was under the budget. The Kiev could travel at the speed of 32 knots, 59 kilometers per hour, or 37 miles per hour. The ship had 4 geared steam turbines, 4 shafts. It had 100,000 kilowatts of power, or 140,000 shp. 2 RBU 6000 ASW anti-submarine rockets and the SUW-N1 ASW rockets are positioned on the foredeck as a safety measure. There were special tiles built on the deck to withstand the heat of the Yak-38 Oranger's jet engines. The Kiev can only carry 32 aircraft. Due to it being a heavy aviation cruiser, it could travel to many areas where normal carriers were not allowed, like the Bosphorus Strait, a little channel of water that separates Europe and Asia. The Kiev was soon decommissioned. Some were scrapped, some were sold to the Chinese Museum, and one was sold to the Indian Navy, which was modified and renamed INS Vikramaditya. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when we make new videos. Also, check out this video I made. It's really good. Bye!